All right, so every day, whether in or out of the office, we're always faced with decisions. Some big, some small, but no matter the size, it's always a chain reaction. One decision always affects what happens next. When managing high-stakes situations like a construction project or a marketing strategy, most of the time, trusting your gut feeling just isn't enough. You need a rational, decision-making process backed by evidence. Today, we're going to cover how to make decision trees in Draw.io and how these can empower your teams to make the best decision in every scenario. Decision trees can be used in many industries. Project managers can use decision trees within Jira for risk management and project assessment to evaluate potential pitfalls. In healthcare, medical administrators use Confluence pages to host standardized decision trees for hospital operations and resource allocation. Financial analysts use decision trees to map out customer journeys and segment customers based on spending behavior. And engineering teams can use decision trees in Confluence and Jira for technical decision making in IT and software development. So basically, decision trees allow you to assess all what-if scenarios. They allow you to weigh out all available options and trace each path to its potential outcome. That way, your teams can make informed decisions with confidence. Now that we know what decision trees are and what they're for, we can open up a blank diagram and get started. All right, so I'm going to show you 3 ways to go about this. The fastest way to get a first draft of your decision tree is Draw.io's AI diagramming feature called the Generate tool. All you have to do is describe your decision in plain language, and Draw.io will produce a diagram that you can refine and customize. In our example here, I'll enter a prompt for a build versus buy decision tree for a software tool. All right, so we have our generated diagram. If you want to preview it, hit the magnifying glass. And if you would like to enter another prompt, you can go ahead and hit the pencil icon. But if you like the diagram that has been generated, you can go ahead and click create. All right, so now we have our decision tree in the diagram editor. Now is our time to refine and customize. So you can customize your text, fonts, shapes, colors, even your connectors. Anything that you want changed, now is your time to do it. Now, if you don't want to go the AI route and you want to build your decision tree from scratch, you can do that by using the container shapes. So first, we're going to select our layout. So in the search bar, we're going to type in tree, and we have a choice to pick between our vertical tree layout or our horizontal tree layout. I'm going to go with the horizontal tree layout, so I'm going to click there. Whether you choose the vertical layout or the horizontal tree layout, both layouts will have a root node and 2 child nodes. If you would like to add more nodes, just hover over the shape until the blue arrow appears. Click the blue arrow and a shape will appear in any direction that you choose. Also, as you can see, the border of the container shape will adjust accordingly. Our third option is to use decision tree templates. Draw.io includes ready-made decision tree templates for you to use as a starting point or to simply serve as inspiration. To access this, go to the plus icon in the toolbar, go down to template, and here in the search bar, we'll type in decision tree. All right, we can hit the magnifying glass to preview it. And if we like that, we can go ahead and press insert. And just like the generate tool, now is a time where we can customize and refine our decision tree. When trying to get down to the bottom of critical situations, these decision trees allow you to map out every scenario so you and your team can make the best decision moving forward. For more information about decision trees, you can check out the awesome blog post linked in our description. Make sure you subscribe for more Draw.io tips and tricks. And until next time, happy diagramming.